In today's video, I will teach you how to make your own printable announcements for any occasions in Canva. Let's get started. First, open Canva and in the search bar, type in the keyword announcement. Canva has a wide collection of fully customizable templates, but if you have a more specific design in mind, simply enable the filters on the left side to remove the designs that you don't like to narrow down your choices. You can also choose the theme as well as the color palette of your announcement. Also, take note of the tag attached to the template. If the template has this crown tag, it means that you need to upgrade to Canva Pro to be able to customize this template. If you wish to start from scratch, simply click on the empty page button at the first row of the template library. But if you wish to make your announcement from a custom size page, you can simply click on the Create a Design button and select Custom Size, then input the width and the height of your preferred canvas. Otherwise, you can now open your chosen template and you can now customize it according to your preference. In the Elements tab, you can add lines and shapes, graphics, stickers, photos, videos, audio, charts, tables, frames, grids, and collections that contains a graphics pack. You can also upload your own pictures and videos to add a personal flair to your announcement. And in the Text tab, you can set your text as a heading, subheading, or a text body, and you can also choose among the font combination presets to make your text look more interesting. You can also edit each element separately by clicking on an element and select Edit Image, and you can also customize the color scheme of different illustrations by clicking on it, and on the top panel, simply choose the color that you would like to change and select a different one from the color palette. Now, go ahead and play around with the settings until you're satisfied. And once you're done, you can now save it to your computer if you would like to print the announcement on your own. But Canva also has a print on demand option. Simply click on the Print Invitations button, and here you can choose the paper type and the number of copies that you would like to get printed. However, certain paper finish and type are not available in other countries. For reference, here's the list of paper types that are available on each region. And once you're satisfied, you can now proceed to checkout to complete your order. And you're done. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell so that you can be updated whenever we upload new tutorials.